Hi, today is November 6th. Daniel's 18 months checkup. Here it is. Hi, sweetheart. He's already with underwear. He's weighed 28 pounds and 5 ounces. I need to find out how tall he is. So I'm waiting for the nurse. And here we are at the doctor's office. Very simple. Very beautiful. And here we are. And this is mommy. Hi. Put together. Look at the camera. Say hi, daddy. Hi, daddy. Hi, daddy. Daddy's working. So mommy's here with him. You're gonna say bye-bye for mommy? What about if you take the pacifier in the mouth? Oops, you don't want to. This is because he's teething, so he needs that the pacifier to calm him down for the teething. So I leave him with. He's gonna have some shots today. He has some shots here. He don't know yet, but he'll be fine. After that, we're going to the park. We're going to swing. We're going to play in the swing. Isn't that you're going to play in the swing? Yeah, we play in the swing. You're going to say bye-bye? You're going to say bye-bye first? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.